It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer of ES Vision Marketing and Mahoney Valley Thrives. In this video, I'm gonna share why I feel every small business should have their own YouTube channel. Now, anytime I meet with, potential clients or associates, I always tell them, yo, you should have a YouTube channel, right? And there's several reasons why you should have a YouTube channel for your business, but a few of them are, one, it gives you more authority, all right? Because since a lot of businesses don't have their own branded YouTube channel, right, you would stand out more. No matter what business it is, you would just stand out more. You just have more branding power, just more authority just by having your own YouTube channel, all right? Now, another thing why you should have a YouTube channel, because everybody knows that video is one of the most, well, probably the most effective form of marketing out right now. It's smashing, text ads and even image ads. Video is where it's at right now when it comes to advertising, okay? But one thing that I always point out when I see businesses and they don't have their own YouTube channel is they're missing out on a lot of extra revenue that they could be bringing into their business. Why? Because once your YouTube channel, hits certain qualifications, you will actually be able to monetize your channel. And everybody know what that is. All them ads that you see popping up that annoys people. You actually can get those ads on your videos and start earning money, all right, from those ads. So once you get that money coming in, you can take that, put it back into your business, or you the business owner, maybe you might just take it and spend it on vacations, whatever you want to do. I don't know what you're doing, right? But yeah, you're missing out. You can start generating that extra stream of income. Not only that, you can actually sell your products more. You can sell more products because you can actually sell from your YouTube channel. All right, you can put a link in the description, or you can put a link in the video to direct viewers to your website where they can purchase, whatever it is you're selling, right? And finally, you can earn more money, bring in more revenue by being an affiliate of different products that maybe your company is affiliated with, or maybe you just like. You can actually be an affiliate, so whenever you do your videos, you can refer visitors to another product or service where you can earn commissions. And once again, that money can go back into your business, or it can go into the business owner pocket, however, whoever running the business. So hopefully you see the power of YouTube and how it can actually benefit your business to have your own channel and start bringing in more revenue. Till the next time, peace.